What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to be working on the door lock actuators for this 2004 Chevy Avalanche, and it's pretty cool coming up. So today we're doing the door lock actuators on the 2004 Chevy Avalanche. Now this has been an episode waiting to happen because I've been promising you guys this for some time. So now that it's here, let's just jump right into it. But before we get right into it, really quick, I just want to say, guys, for those of you who saw the LED light video that I did on the Corolla, they have loved the video so much that they decided to give a 20% off coupon code to you guys if you purchase. So link is in the description of that video if you guys are interested in getting some. It'll definitely save you all some money with that 20% off, and so far so good. I really do love it. But anyway, let's just jump right into this video. Okay, guys, when you come across the clip like this to remove the door lock, you actually have to press this little black tab on here, press it down, and it'll allow you to maneuver the gray piece so you can pull it off of the master switch. Well, not the master switch, the switch. Took me a little bit to figure it out, but I got it. Okay, what's next? Alrighty, so there are two clips that you have to remove inside. You'll see it, you'll feel it. Hard to get the camera in these angles. Get him in the link in the description below. So now we have to remove this prop rod here. It should just open like a door. And here it is. Here it is. So now we got to work on removing the actuator to these locks, and that's what we're going to do now. So here is our new actuators. Now the funny thing is, I actually had a dormant part actuator that I just found when I was packing away stuff, but I bought this automotive one. I don't know how well this brand is, but from the reviews it looked okay. We'll try it and we'll see. But let's compare it up and then switch it over. There we go. That's what it looks like. Let's compare it to the old one. That's the old one. Looks identical to me. So what we have to do is pull this piece off, and it looks like it's being held on by two Torx bits. So let's get that going. So we're gonna use this, it's a T10. We're gonna use this T10 to remove these little T10 Torx. There's two of them, and this should just separate. So you wanna get this little arm here. You see on the new one there's a little arm on the edge there, so you want to kind of push this on. All right, well, it just fell right off, so okay. So what you want to do is, from what I've seen, because I've never done one of these before, so I actually ended up watching a video. So what you wanted to do is make sure that the gears are exactly lined up, and it looks like mine isn't, so right, mine isn't. Nope. You see how this gear is all the way over there and mine's all the way on the other side? I guess I have to just turn it. And okay, it was a little bit out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it's lined up now. Let's put it in. T27. The really long one goes on the inside, just in case y'all forget. Smaller one goes on the door handle here, well, door lock, right on the inside. For the moment of truth, let us see if it works. Right now it's on lock. Let's check it. Unlock. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. It finally works. We finally got the door lock actuator replaced on this for the passenger side, so now I don't ever have to keep using my water bottle on the driver's side to like flick the passenger side open. It can finally just be used by the press of a button. So thank you all so much for watching this episode. If you need any more details, just leave a comment in the comment section below and I will definitely be able to handle you. Now, this was my first time ever doing one of these for the Avalanche, and it's actually pretty easy. Just some trial and error to find where the bolts are, what has to come off and what has to be removed. But now that you guys have this video, you should definitely be able to do this on yours without having to go through those trials and errors just like I did. So with that being said guys, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.